7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. So we have a lot of projects going on, and one of the things that we need to start getting prepared for is our garden area. So we need to put a fence around the garden area, we need to finish building our garden beds, and we need to free up some space in our shipping containers so that we can get at least one of the projects, which is our garden beds, out of our shipping container. So let's see what happens and talk to you later. Bye.
You know?
You don't even like that song.
Do you know?
Do you know?
Where you going to? You like the things that life is showing you.
No, I don't.
Where are you going to?
I don't know.
Do you know?
No, I don't.
Do you get what you're hoping for?
No.
I don't know the rest of the lyrics.
I forgot how to do this.
The instructions are in there.
What you trying to say? Read?
Read.
So the top two. Okay. Oh, I forgot. We gotta take this. Oh gosh.
Took plastic off.
We gotta take the plastic off
Got a
first.
trash bag.
Oh yeah. No.
Here, throw
I
it
was
in
gonna
here.
use this box. What we going first? Are we starting with seeds, or we're gonna start with baby whatever?
We're gonna start with bullets.
With what?
With ammo, bullets.
Bullets. We're gonna start with ammo. We're gonna start with seeds.
Yep, seeds and whatever slips, starting things, whatever you call it.
You think we can get to a point where if we start growing stuff, we can sell it?
No,
No.
we're gonna eat it.
We might have to sell it. Shoot, you never know. Way stuff is going.
Sell it for what?
People might,
We're gonna have to barter it.
Well, barter it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Barter. Go back to the bartering system. How many of these you gotta do? 3 more?
It's funny how after all this time you and me still stick like glue. Yeah, we can do with nothing at all, yet we still sing it through. After all of the crying, baby,
I see it. I see the vision. Oh, the greenhouse is gonna be cute.
we deserve a little piece of dream.
All right, guys. So we are finally at the beginning stages of our garden area. We finally put all of our bins together. Say yay! High five! Yay! And they look very nice here in this area. I really like it. And once we get this area cleaned up and everything and start planting some stuff in these, we do have 2 long ones and then 2 stubby ones here. I call them stubby, but 2 wide ones. So I think it's a nice balance. This is the beginning stages. Wish us luck, guys. So this is the beginning stages of our gardening journey, our growing journey. This is a trial era, a trial stage. We are going to start and mess up. So we're giving ourselves some grace, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what's the size of these?
So 2 2x8s, and these are 3.5 by 6.5s. And Vego's gonna send us those little net covers to go over them, so they'll be enclosed. And
Also, we're going to have to try to figure out how to keep all of our critters from eating our food because we have lots of bunnies, moles, voles, and gophers.
we're gonna put the wire mesh on the bottom.
The wire mesh on the bottom. We still have a ways to go before we actually start planting.
Still got to build a fence around the whole area.
Yep.
Greenhouse back there next to the totes. Those
Right
little
there.
flags down there on the ground.
Next to the tote. And it'll be a nice little garden area.
We'll fence the whole area off so no deer can get in, deer and cow, and then we'll be good.
And
then we'll put
coyotes.
like a dome over the top so no birds can get in, like an invisible Star Wars dome.
We're going to have a dome.
We're gonna have a dome. We're gonna
All
have
right.
a Star Wars dome.
What else we going to have? I like the mystical fairy tale stuff.
We're gonna have snipers in the trees that
So-
can shoot any creatures that come and try to eat our food.
Like Bigfoot. Okay. So yeah. Thank you.
Thinking about it.
Yeah, he is thinking about it. I see the booty purring. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I was on camera saying that.
Hey, go poop.
There you go.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Y'all need to see that.
Yeah, we're not going to show that.
Got a long ride back to the city.
So anyway,
You
we're
gotta
going
let
to go ahead and start getting packed up because the sun is
It's
getting
gone.
kind of low and it's going down, but we're going to start packing up and we're going to take you guys with us.
Yep.
Bye.
On the road again.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. I used to like that song.
Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes.
I don't know who it is, but I used to like the song.
Willie Nelson.
It's just Willie Nelson? Was it the Blue Notes for real?
I was just joking.
Oh, Willie Nelson and the Blue Notes.
Boop. I'm in the passenger seat.
Yeah, it's rare.
What old boy say? Real men don't let women drive. Real men sitting in the passenger seat are weak men. So today I'm a weak man. 'Cause I'm gonna let her drive. I ain't no real man today. I was tired.
You
I'll
should
be
be
a
tired.
beta today.
I'm like, are you recording? What in the world? You recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god.
Like you said, always. This 7 Sigma. Camera
Always
rolling. Even when it's not.
But it's not.
We always cutting up.
Piece of dry?
They don't even know all that. This piece of good.
It's dry. It's dry. I'm excited about our garden. You ready to start gardening?
The world about to end. We gotta hurry up.
What? Well, first of all, you keep saying the world is about to end. And I know you on this AI stuff, but why do you keep saying the world is about to end?
Because the world about to end. Everybody going crazy.
It does feel like that. It does feel like everybody's going crazy.
It's a cultural war. Mind control.
Homesteaders are the most prepared
We ain't.
for all of the things that everybody have been talking about for quite some time. So we're trying to get there.
I'm trying to hurry up.
We're rushing to get there. But people who have been doing it for a while, when the world does end, they'll be prepared because they already know what to do. Hunters, gatherers.
Nah, for real talk. People just keep your head on a swivel. Things are about to heat up a little bit. Culture war. And while everybody's worried about that, robots and AI coming. So
I think we are really in a paradigm shift just in general.
that already shifted.
You feel like it's already shifted?
Gone.
Really?
Done deal.
But no, I don't want it to shift. Well, anyway,
World's gone mad.
You know what? I wanted to go back to like the 90s. The 80s and 90s to me were the best time. It was all just nice and fun and light and airy, and the music was great, and there was no people rah, 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 and all that stuff. It was just so light.
There's always something, but that something back then was not like the something right now. It was minus social media.
Social media has destroyed us.
But I feel privileged to have grown up in the best era ever. Gen X, the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Best times ever. You youngsters don't know what you missed out on.
It really was.
Gen X in the house. You boomers are all right. Y'all cool. Silent generation. Moms and pops and them.
Y'all like.
Y'all like too. Gen X is the best though. We're the transition kids.
Like, we're the transition kids, but we still had a little bit of nature. Like, we would be outside playing, and
we got to see everything come in.
We got to see everything come in, from tapes to...
We went from vinyl to 8-track to
tracks,
cassette to
CDs
to
streaming.
to MP3s to streaming.
Yeah. Rotary phones to beepers to cell phones to iPhones.
Yep. I'm just being hyperbolic and saying the world's going to end. That world ended.
That world did end.
Now we're in a new world of foolishness. But don't be a Debbie Downer. This is a happy joy channel. We're happy joy. Everybody's living in their own reality.
Yeah, we're gonna live in the middle.
We're crack babies, literally. We're in the crack.
We're in the crack. We're in the middle.
Anyway, back to happy joy. People don't come to watch our channel for doom and gloom. They want bubbly, happily joy.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting dark.
We about to go bye-bye. Eat this pizza. I'm about to take a nap.
Sorry, I've been eating already, so I apologize because I'm hungry. Well, anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us on our crazy escapades. And we will see you next time. Bye!
7 Sigma. Off-grid.